Explore the ultimate luxury on the water with our fully furnished sailboats, designed to provide an affordable and unforgettable experience. Our sailboats offer the perfect blend of comfort, style, and adventure, making them ideal for romantic getaways, family vacations, or simply a relaxing escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. In this video, we'll take you on a tour of our luxurious sailboats, showcasing their stunning features, amenities, and breathtaking views. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or just looking for a unique experience, our fully furnished sailboats are sure to impress. So sit back, relax, and get ready to set sail in style. Did you know that you can enjoy the luxury of sailing on the open water, fully furnished with all the comforts of home, without breaking the bank? Many people think sailing vacations are reserved for the ultra-wealthy, but what if you could experience the thrill of a luxury sailboat for a fraction of the price? Imagine waking up to stunning views of the horizon, stepping onto a deck that feels like a five-star hotel, and all of it at an affordable rate. Could this be the new way to travel in style without the high-end costs? One of the most common misconceptions about sailing is that it's only for the wealthy. The image of private yachts with lavish interiors and a crew at your service often makes people believe that sailing is an exclusive experience reserved for the rich. This perception can discourage many who are interested in trying out a sailing vacation, assuming it's beyond their budget. In reality, the rise of affordable luxury options, such as fully furnished sailboats available for rent, has made the experience more accessible to a wider range of travelers. With the right business model and strategic planning, these sailing experiences can offer the perfect balance of luxury and affordability. However, travelers often face a number of challenges when looking for affordable yet luxurious vacation options. One major obstacle is finding quality accommodations that offer both comfort and value. Many people expect luxury vacations to come with sky-high price tags, and while this is often true for traditional hotels and resorts, it's not the case for sailing experiences. The challenge, however, lies in identifying companies that offer well-maintained, fully equipped sailboats at a reasonable price. Fully furnished sailboats are designed to offer a unique blend of comfort, luxury, and adventure, making them an ideal option for those seeking a memorable vacation on the water without the high costs typically associated with luxury travel. These sailboats are equipped with modern amenities that transform them from simple boats to floating homes, providing all the comforts of a hotel or resort in a unique, maritime setting. The key features of fully furnished sailboats often include well-appointed cabins with comfortable beds, high-quality linens, and storage spaces for clothes and personal items. The interiors are typically designed with a cozy yet sophisticated aesthetic, often featuring polished wood finishes, soft lighting, and large windows to bring the beauty of the ocean indoors. A fully equipped kitchen allows guests to prepare meals on board, which adds both convenience and cost savings compared to dining out. Some sailboats also come with a fully functional bathroom with a shower, which enhances the comfort and appeal for those used to the luxury of modern accommodations. For added luxury, many sailboats include high-end touches like air conditioning or heating, premium sound systems, flat-screen TVs, and Wi-Fi, allowing guests to enjoy their favorite entertainment while at sea. On the deck, amenities such as outdoor seating, a sunbathing area, and even jacuzzis or hot tubs are available on some boats, offering a relaxing space to unwind while enjoying the surrounding views. In terms of cost, renting a fully furnished sailboat can vary depending on factors such as location, the size of the boat, the duration of the rental, and the time of year. While the price may initially seem higher than traditional vacation rentals, when broken down per person, it can often be more affordable, especially when factoring in the ability to cook meals on board and the unique, all-inclusive nature of the experience. Prices for a one-week rental of a fully furnished sailboat typically range from $1,500 to $5,000, depending on the boat's size and luxury level. By offering a more personalized, exclusive experience without the overhead of a hotel or resort, these sailboats can provide luxury at a fraction of the price. The experiences these sailboats offer are what truly set them apart from other vacation options. Guests can sail through picturesque coastlines, explore hidden coves, or anchor in secluded spots, enjoying complete privacy and tranquility. Whether it's a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or a group adventure, the sailing experience allows guests to connect with nature while enjoying the luxuries of modern living. Many sailboat rental companies also offer additional experiences such as private chefs, guided tours, water sports, or sunset cruises, which can further enhance the experience. Overall, fully furnished sailboats provide a perfect balance of luxury and affordability. They offer the charm and adventure of sailing with the comforts of a high-end vacation. For those seeking a unique escape, a fully furnished sailboat is an ideal way to experience luxury without the high price tag, combining stunning scenery, relaxation, and adventure all in one unforgettable package. Starting a business focused on affordable luxury on the water with fully furnished sailboats can indeed be profitable, provided the right strategy is in place. The key to success lies in positioning the business in a niche market that attracts individuals seeking luxury experiences without the high price tag often associated with such experiences. To make this business work, the first step is selecting the right location. You'll need access to prime waterside areas or coastal destinations that attract tourists, boat enthusiasts, and those looking for unique vacation experiences. These locations should have enough foot traffic to sustain the business but remain relatively untapped to avoid excessive competition. The next step is sourcing the sailboats. Look for boats that are in good condition but also affordable, especially if you're just starting out. Fully furnished sailboats can be outfitted with all the amenities you need to offer an upscale experience without the need for heavy investments in real estate or traditional hotels. The furnishings should include comfortable beds, modern kitchens, bathrooms, and other features that make the experience luxurious yet practical. Once you've secured the boats and a prime location, focus on building an online presence. Your website should offer booking options, detailed descriptions of the sailboats, and information about the locations they can sail to. Social media channels can help showcase the beauty of the sailboats and the experience of living on water. You can also partner with influencers or bloggers who specialize in travel, luxury, or outdoor experiences to help build brand recognition. It's essential to keep a close eye on operational costs. Regular maintenance of the boats, insurance, staff, if needed, and marketing will be ongoing expenses. Offering add-ons such as guided tours, water activities, or customized packages will increase revenue opportunities. Additionally, consider offering seasonal promotions or discounts to attract more customers during peak tourist seasons. To run the business effectively, it's important to ensure that customer service is a priority. Satisfied clients will likely return for future bookings and refer others. Regularly checking the quality and safety of your sailboats and providing excellent customer service will build trust and a positive reputation, crucial for long-term success. By managing costs wisely, focusing on a high-quality experience, and finding effective ways to reach your target market, this business has the potential to be profitable while offering a unique and memorable service. Sailing on a fully furnished boat offers an experience like no other, blending the excitement of adventure with the tranquility of luxurious comfort. The most enticing aspect of this experience is undoubtedly the breathtaking views that unfold before you. Whether you're cruising through crystal-clear waters or gliding past dramatic coastlines, every moment spent on the water is filled with natural beauty. Imagine waking up to the sight of a golden sunrise over the ocean, stepping onto your deck to feel the cool breeze, and gazing out at endless horizons. The ever-changing scenery, from tranquil bays to bustling harbors, offers a new perspective on nature's wonders, making every day a visual delight. Another remarkable feature of sailing on a fully furnished boat is the ability to follow unique itineraries that take you to places beyond the reach of traditional tourism. With a sailing trip, you can visit hidden coves, secluded beaches, and remote islands that are typically off the beaten path. These spots, often only accessible by boat, offer a sense of discovery and exclusivity, allowing you to explore untouched landscapes and pristine environments. You can anchor in quiet, sheltered bays and swim in private waters, far away from the crowds. Each new destination along the journey is an opportunity to discover something unique. Whether it's an ancient lighthouse perched on a cliff, a vibrant coastal town, or a secret spot where the water is so clear you can see straight to the seabed, the flexibility and freedom of a sailing vacation also stand out. Unlike a traditional cruise or resort stay, a fully furnished sailboat allows you to chart your own course. You can change your itinerary on a whim, deciding whether to explore a nearby island or spend the day lounging on deck with a book. The freedom to wake up in a new location each day, without the constraints of a set itinerary, adds a layer of excitement to the trip. Whether you're seeking relaxation or adventure, the sailboat provides a private, serene space to unwind, all while you explore the water at your own pace. Additionally, the intimacy of a fully furnished sailboat offers a unique way to connect with your surroundings and your travel companions. Whether it's a romantic getaway, a family holiday, or a small group adventure, the small-scale nature of the sailboat means you experience the journey together, with no crowds or distractions. The intimate setting allows for meaningful connections, whether it's sharing a sunset cocktail on deck or enjoying a quiet moment under the stars, far from the noise of everyday life. All of these elements, breathtaking views, the ability to explore hidden gems, and the flexibility to follow unique itineraries, combine to create an unforgettable, luxurious experience on the water. A fully furnished sailboat isn't just a way to travel, it's a chance to immerse yourself in nature's beauty while enjoying the comforts of modern living. It's an adventure, a retreat, and a journey all in one. What's your dream sailing destination? Picture yourself cruising along crystal clear waters, discovering hidden beaches, and waking up to stunning views every day. Whether it's the Mediterranean's charming islands, the Caribbean's turquoise waters, or the rugged beauty of the Pacific, we'd love to hear where you'd like to set sail. Drop your dream destination in the comments below. If you're craving more travel inspiration, tips, and ideas for your next adventure on the water, don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more amazing content to help you plan the perfect getaway and make your sailing dreams a reality.